I would like to present about sustainable agriculture, focusing on smart farming and renewable energy. Sustainable agriculture is an approach to farming that aims to produce food while protecting the environment and preserving natural resources for future generations. However, modern agriculture faces many challenges such as climate change, limited resources, and increasing food demand. To overcome this challenge, new technologies such as smart farming and renewable energy are being used. Smart farming helps farmers monitor and manage their crops more efficiently, use modern technology, while renewable energy like solar power helps reduce the use of fossil fuel. By combining these approaches, agriculture can become more efficient and environmentally friendly.
I will talk about the importance of sustainable agriculture. As we know, sustainable agriculture protects our environment. It prevents soil erosion, conserve water, and support biodiversity. This means we can farm without harming nature. Second, sustainable agriculture can ensure food security. It provides a stable supply of healthy and safe food for current and future generations. Third, sustainable agriculture can help farmers reduce costs with natural methods and promote sustainable local livelihood. And then, sustainable agriculture can fight climate change. Practice like crop rotation and agroforestry reduce greenhouse gas emission and make farm more resilient to extreme weather. Lastly, sustainable agriculture can produce chemical-free, nutritious food, reducing health risks with pesticide. That's all from me.
Okay, next I want to talk about smart farming. So, what is smart farming? Smart farming is a modern way of doing agriculture using technology. Instead of only depending on traditional methods, farmers now use tools like sensor, drones, automated machines, and digital software to improve farm management and productivity. For example, sensor can check the soil condition, like how wet or dry it is. Drones can fly over the farm to monitor crop health and even spray fertilizer. Automated machine can help with planting and harvesting. And lastly, digital software helps farmers keep records and make better decisions. By collecting and analyzing data on soil condition, weather, crop health, and water usage, farmers can make smarter decisions. They know when to water, when to add fertilizer, and when to control pests. Because of this, smart farming can increase crop yield, reduce production costs, save water and fertilizer, and minimize pest and disease problems. In simple words, smart farming helps farmers work smarter, not harder. It also supports sustainable farming and protect the environment by using resources more efficiently. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now I want to talk about technology used in smart farming and the benefit. There are three key tools making a huge difference today. First, we have drones. Think of this as the eyes in the sky. Instead of walking through every single acre, farmers use drones for crop monitoring and field mapping. They can even do precision spraying. The real benefit here is early detection, finding pests or disease before they spread, which saves a lot on labor and prevent us from overusing chemicals. Second one is we use GPS and GIS technology. This isn't just for finding direction, it's about accuracy. It's a lot for precision painting and mapping out the field with incredible detail, because we know exactly where every seed and fertilizer drop goes. Lastly, there are automated irrigation systems. Water is our most precious resources, and this system ensures we don't waste a drop. They control the water supply based exactly on what the crop needs at the moment. This not only saves water and energy, but also ensures plants are never stressed, which leads to better growth and much higher yields at harvest time. In short, by using this technology, we aren't just farming harder, we're farming smart.
Okay, now I would like to talk about renewable energy in agriculture. Renewable energy is energy produced by natural resources that is replenished faster than it is consumed. Renewable energy is considered to be more sustainable compared to other resources, other natural resources like fossil fuels, oil, gas, or coal. Now, there are many examples of renewable energy sectors that can be incorporated into agricultural production. Among them is solar energy, wind energy, and hydropower. Now, for solar energy, which has its own sector name, which is agrivoltaics, it is where agricultural production is conducted underneath or adjacent to solar panels. Now, how these solar panels work is photovoltaic cells made out of semiconductors like silicon would convert sunlight energy into electrical energy. Next is also wind energy, which has the same concept of agricultural production conducted at the same time, which is mostly powered by wind turbines. Now, these wind turbines, how it works are moving winds or air would hit or cause these turbines to spin, and rotors that are connected to the turbines would then drive a generator, which would convert the kinetic energy from moving winds into electrical energy. We carried on into hydropower, where moving winds or air that causes the rotor in wind turbines is replaced by flowing water that can be generated in a river channel or irrigation channel. Now, this renewable energy can not only create electrical energy that can power irrigation channels in the crop fields, but also for the entire farm. Now, the benefits for renewable energy will be further explained by my other group member.
Next, I will explain the benefits of renewable energy in farming. Renewable energy comes from natural sources such as solar, wind, water, and biomass. These sources are sustainable and environmentally friendly. The first benefit is it can reduce energy costs. It is because renewable energy helps farmers reduce electricity and fuel expenses. Although the installation cost may be high at first, but it provides long-term saving. Next, renewable energy is environmentally friendly because it can reduce greenhouse gas emission. It also decreases air and water pollution compared to the fossil fuels. Other than that, it also supports irrigation system. For example, solar power water pumps can replace diesel pumps. This can ensure a stable water supplies for crops. Next, it also can convert farm waste into energy. Animal manure and crop waste can be used to produce biogas. This can reduce waste and disposal problem. Renewable energy also can convert farm waste into energy. For example, animal manure and crop waste can be used to produce biogas. Last but not least, renewable energy supports smart farming because it provides stable electricity to automate system. It powers modern equipment such as ventilation, cooling, and feeding system. This increases farm productivity and efficiency. The challenges of smart farming is high initial cost. It is because smart farming requires advanced machine and sensor, which can be very expensive for small-scale farmers. This high initial investment may prevent some farmers adopting these technologies. Next, some farmers lack of technical knowledge. Farmers need a proper training to operate smart device and interpret data. Next challenges is internet and electricity dependencies. Smart farming system often rely on stable internet and electricity in rural areas. Inconsistent connectivity or power supply can disrupt operation. Next challenge is data accuracy and security concerns. Collecting data from farm raises the question about privacy. Farmers may worry about their production data being misused or hacked. Last but not least, the maintenance and repair issues. Advanced devices require regular maintenance. Repairs can be costly and may require specialized technicians, which add to the challenges.
So we reached the end of the presentation, which is conclusion. Overall, sustainable agriculture is important to ensure long-term food security while protecting the environment and preserving natural resources. By using smart farming technologies and renewable energy, farmers can increase productivity, minimize waste, and environmental damage. These innovative and eco-friendly approaches ensure that future generations can continue to benefit from a healthy and productive agricultural system. That's all. Thank you.